No hype, just true numbers. So let's get into it. So for my last video on BTC, I highlighted levels I was expecting price to touch before we have a crazy run, and one of those levels is around 112k, that zone. So at this point we have an order block, but before that, this video is more like a weekly hedge. So this week's video is for 18th to 22nd. That's like Monday to Friday. The market outlook for this week. And talking about market outlook, we have a lot of speculations as regards Fed's rate cut by September, if it will happen or not. And everyone is just waiting. But US stocks are surging to new highs. That was last week. Right, this week we're looking at the possibility of rate cuts for September. But that aside, let's just get into technicals here. So this order block is what I'm looking at the moment. We have a sweep somewhere here. We have an inducement. It broke structure already. Yeah. So if this order block gets tapped and there's a candlestick confirmation to enter for a buy, I'll take it easily. I'll ride it to the top here, then a sell from here again. But here's the thing: if this order block gets broken, if we break lower down to somewhere here, I'll probably just find another block. Yeah, another one if it gets broken somewhere here. Yeah, but the main setup I have, the value setup, where we might not really need much confirmation, is a sell from here to 112k. Right, a sell from 123k. So this is what I'm looking at. We have a clear sweep here. So this order block got invalidated, and now it's a sweep for this order block. So I'll be looking at a short from somewhere here down. Right, so that's it on BTC. There's not much analysis on it at the moment, but I'll be looking out for a sell. I had this bias on AVAX, and I've been waiting for it for like, it should be 2 months, I think, or I'm hoping it plays out just fine. So on AVAX, if we easily touch, let's say $26 or 26.4, I'll be looking out for a sell from here down to $15. So from $15, I'll be looking out for a buy to wherever. But this particular point is where the main setup is. Yeah. To maybe somewhere here. 15-hour. So we just have to wait. There is no setup on it yet. This should have been a clean buy, but I didn't take it. So that's it on AVAX. So BTC and the crypto market generally, we're just waiting to see if there'll be any new speculation on inflation rise in the United States, or if there'll be a rate cut by September. I think it's on poly market, the chances of a rate cut happening is, last time I saw it was about 91% or so. something around that percentage rate of it happening by September. And as at now, August 19th, the liquidation amount on crypto, is it liquidation amount? Yeah, something like that. In crypto is about $102 million just in the past hour. So apparently people are getting liquidated on longs and maybe even shorts. But since the market is selling, I wouldn't really say shorts, but it's obvious people are getting liquidated. So let's see what happens this week. If there is a good setup, then we'll probably just take it. So this is the whole thing on this week's analysis. Hopefully there would be a setup to look out for, but at the moment I don't really have any setup I'm looking out for to play out or to trigger as regards limit. So catch you guys in the next videos. Peace out.